किती
So this is just a
प्राइस कितलो गो बरे लांब गो अगो 40-60 म्हाका खबर आसा हांव वापरता न्ही गो Hi guys, my name is Roma and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So what I'm going to do today is that I'm going to be showing you all my recent purchases from Nykaa. Nykaa had this really nice offers and I thought I should go for it and I got a few products. So I'm going to show it to you all. So let's start the video. So guys, the first product that I'm going to be showing you all is this onion hair oil from Mamaearth. It's a new brand which is recently launched and this is for hair fall control and it suits all hair types, and we all have hair fall problems, and I thought why not give this brand a go. So this costed 399 rupees, but I got a combo offer from Nykaa which said if I got 2 of these I would get a 20% discount. So I got 2 bottles of these and I'm going to give it a go. If you want to know how this product works, please leave a comment and I will definitely tell you all. So this is how the bottle looks, and this is 150 ml and it can be used by both men as well as women. So yes. So guys, the next product is this Lotus Safe Sun Block Cream, and I've been using this product for quite a while now and it's really good, and I've ordered it again. So this is very good on the skin. It is not that heavy also and it does not make your skin sticky. So this is the Lotus Herbal Safe Sun SPF 20. So guys, my next product is this VLCC Pocket Perfume. If you have seen my previous video, the makeup products I use, you must have seen that I had shown a pocket perfume like this, but this time I've ordered a different kind of scent. It's Herbal Forest and it smells quite nice. I really like the smell of this, and it's easy for us girls to keep it in the handbag ready to go, not at all heavy, and it is 22 ml. It has 22 ml in it and it's quite good if you're late on the go, if you're going somewhere, just spray it and you're done. So yes, it's a very good and a very compact product also. It will fit easily in your purse. So guys, this product usually costs rupees 60, but on Nykaa with some discount I got it for around rupees 42. And so yeah, it's a good product. I recommend you all to use this, girls as well as guys. Yes. So guys, the next product is this Clea Cleansing and Makeup Remover Wipes, and I use this not only for makeup but I use this to wipe my hands. I keep it in my handbag as well as in the car. Like if suddenly I have to eat something or maybe something like that, I can just remove one out and wipe my hands. And it is strawberry extract, so I'm assuming the smell would be amazing because I have tried their lemon and I've tried their orange ones and they smelled amazing. So this costs rupees 30 and I think it's a good deal for 30 rupees. And there are how many wipes inside? There are 10 wipes inside, so it's a pretty good deal. So guys, the next product is a product which I will highly recommend all of you, and it is this Biotic Advanced Ayurveda Honey Gel Refreshing Foaming Face Wash for all skin types, and it's really amazing. I mean, if you have heavy makeup on, you do not need any wipe for it. Just take a little bit of it. I mean, little bit of this is more than enough and your makeup will just melt off. And as you can see, I've already used a lot of it. It's amazing, and I highly recommend you guys to use this product. It's one of the best products I've discovered. I got it for around 105 rupees on Nykaa, and the actual price of this tube is 119. And it's also good for acne. So this tube is 100 ml and I think it's enough for if you use this every day, then it's enough for like 2-3 weeks, because like if you wash your face 2-3 times a day, then it's more than enough. So guys, it's tried and tested for acne based on past experiences. I'm telling you all, this is a very, very good product, and I just want you all to use it. Just order it right now from Nykaa. So guys, the next product that I'm going to show you all is also the product which I will highly recommend you guys to buy, and it is this Nykaa Skin Secrets face mask, which is lemon plus honey for lightened and glowing skin, and it smells amazing. So yes, I had ordered 5, but I've used the other ones. This is the only one remaining, so I'm going to show it to you all, and I highly recommend you guys to buy this sheet mask. So guys, the next product that I'm going to show you all is this Lakme 925 blusher. It usually costs about 500 rupees. Yes, and on Nykaa I got it for around 450 rupees. So this is how it looks, and the shade is Coral Punch, and it adds a nice color to your cheeks. And it adds a nice color to your cheeks, and it also has got a brush, and it has a nice rose gold palette, and it's very pretty in a nice rose gold box. Fancy boxes. So guys, I also got one more blush from Nykaa, and it is from the Nykaa range. It is Coral plus Peach, and it costs about 699 rupees, but on Nykaa I got it for around 660 rupees, and the colors are really pretty, and you must have guessed that I like such colors because the other one is also such type. And as I said, it gives a nice color to your cheeks, and you know, a slight pink looks good on the cheeks. Yeah, so this one is, I really like the packaging. It's nice and sleek. So guys, the next product is this Nykaa Matte to Last mini liquid lipstick, and this is the boho shade, and it's a really cute one. Let me just show you. And true to its tagline, Matte to Last, it really lasts for a long time. It really lasts for a very long time, and I really love their size. Its size, and it can fit anywhere, like in your pocket, or even when we go for weddings, we carry those clutches and nothing really fits in that. So this cute lipstick will easily fit in it, and you can give yourself a little touch up. So yeah, so the price of this is rupees 239, and I did not get any discount on it, but I really wanted this shade, so I got it. So guys, the next product is this Nykaa So Matte, and this is the lipstick Gone Rogue. It costs about 399, but on Nykaa I got it for around 330 rupees, and it has got a nice magnet outer cover, and this shade is just perfect for summers. As you can see, I've already started using it, and it's a really pretty shade. It smells great too, and it really lasts for a very long time. So that's a really great quality about Nykaa lipsticks, that they stay for a long time and it does not go when you eat something or drink something. Next product. So guys, the next products that I'm going to be showing you all is Maybelline Fit Me Foundation plus the Fit Me Compact, and this is the shade Warm Nude, and it's available in 18 different shades, as you must have already seen the commercial, and it is really very good. It stays nicely on the skin, and it doesn't look heavy. The makeup doesn't look very heavy as well, and I'm really loving this product, and you guys must get it as well. I mean, the girls must get it as well. So guys, the cost of this is 550 rupees, and this costs about 480 rupees, and I haven't started using this as of now because I'm using the other one. And this is the classic ivory powder, and it goes well with this compact, and on top if you use this powder on top of that, it looks good. So, and it is from normal to oily skin, and these products are very good. So this is a new Pond's Super Light Gel Oil Free Moisturizer, and it's in a gel form, and it's transparent, and once you apply it to your face, it just disappears and your face is no longer sticky, and it really leaves a very nice tone on your face. Let me just show you how it looks. I've already started using it. So guys, this is how it looks, and it smells really, I don't know, delicious. So this is priced at rupees 150. Yeah. So girls, next up is this Baby Lips Candy Wow lip balms. One is cherry and one is raspberry, and as you know, I've been using this lip balm since a very long time now, and I've used almost each and every shade of this, and it smells amazing. This one smells of raspberry, like actually literal raspberries, and this one smells of cherries, and they are priced at rupees 260 each, and I got it for rupees 110, like separately 110. So that's a really good deal. I will say. So guys, I would really like to tell you all to keep a tab on Nykaa, because sometimes they have a really good discount going on with like very low prices, and I got these lip balms during that time, and I got a really good discount on this, and Nykaa always has some or the other discount going on. So yeah, so girls, I got all these L80 nail pops from Nykaa. As you guys might have noticed that I love light color shades, and white is my favorite because that's what I use most of the time. But these are like nice, really, cute, cool summer colors: green, orange, yellow, white, pink, and peachish color. That's not their shade names on Nykaa. They have got their own unique names. So each one of these is priced at rupees 50, and on Nykaa I got each one of them for around 40 to 42 rupees, and I really love the colors, like really pretty colors. So girls, this is the TS brand, and this brand is also available in Big Bazaar. I've seen it, and the shade which I use the most is not there right now. I use the rose quartz flavor, the light pink shade of TS, which I love, and also I use the white one from this brand as well. And these are also some of the lighter shades that I love using. Yeah, as you can see, I'm really loving this shades, and it goes well on any outfit that you wear, like a very nice cute color. Like I'm so ready for summer, girls, and you should be with this nail pops. So they're priced at rupees 85 on Nykaa each one, and for discount I got it for around 73-75 rupees. So the next one is this streetwear nail enamel from streetwear, and it's a nice light purple shade, and it's a matte shade. So once you apply, it goes matte, and it's really pretty purple, pretty light purple, and it is priced at rupees 140. And lastly, I have got this nail polish from Nykaa, and it is strawberries and cream. So this is priced at rupees 179, but I got it for around 160 rupees, and it's a really nice color, strawberries and cream. It looks really good on the nails. So girls, guys, this is what I got from Nykaa. These are all my recent purchases from Nykaa. I hope you liked it. If you liked something, do buy it from Nykaa for yourself. And this is not a sponsored video. And yes, if you like this video, please do give it a big like, share it with all the other girls, let them see the new colors and everything, and of course subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I've made, I guess, 1 or 2 more videos related to Nykaa, so I will list them down in the description below, so you can check that out as well. So if you guys enjoyed this video, like, share and subscribe, and I will be back soon with some more fun videos. Bye.